Second day, up 7 in the morning. Right, here we go. My room. Ooh. Let's go for some breakfast. Good morning. Let's go for a walk while we're waiting for the others. Right, we need to get back before 9. Let's see the beach first. 8:30 in the morning. There's a bit of wind, as you probably can hear, and there's people surfing. Amazing. Old stairs in here, really nice. Let's see if we can see if I can show you the people surfing in there. You see people in the water? They're surfing. I have a windshield on my camera, so hopefully you're not hearing the wind too much, at least. First time I use it, so I don't know. Never tried it before. Well, I tried it yesterday, but I didn't see the footage yet. Is the tide coming up? Seriously? Come on. No, no, please. Ah, look at this, it's skimming. I need the board. Oh, there you go. There you go, mate. Go, 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 go. Awesome. Ah, it's gone. What's the time? 8:45. Let's go. 15 minutes to get back. I love this place. Got no pollution whatsoever that we can see of. Anyway, nothing on the ground. No garbage on the ground. No papers, no cans, no glass bottles or anything. This is virgin country. This is part of the geomorphology module at uni, and so far it's been amazing. Hello. Where are we? I think this is it. Nice trails over there. Let's see if I can make it on time. I ended up near the shop, so I have to go all the way through there. I kind of lost track of time. That's how amazing this is. Still have 3 minutes. That's the van. Look like Bob the Builder.
Oh no, there's one other thing. So as every group of 3 got, because it's a long walk to get back here, so as every group of 3 got tape measure. You haven't got a months of it?
No.
I've got a spare here, so you can... Yeah.
Whoa, this is slippery. I'm glad I have some good boots. Look at that. This is from the ice.
That's from the LGM.
God.
It's been here for 12,000 years-ish.
Is this still?
Yeah, that's Till. Yeah, that's Diamondton. Well, that's Till, actually.
God.
So that's non-rounded. So that's non-glacier fluvial. That's in situ. Ice contact. So geologically, it's very straightforward. So you're surrounded on all sides. There's on that hill over there, the hill on which we passed over the top. All of these hills and bluffs, they're all comprised of a unit called the Hunts Bay Limestone Member.
The other way is still easier. Probably. Goodbye, Hunters Bay.
It's all worth it from the top when you get these beautiful views
Oh yeah.
over the clear mountain ranges of central Wales. Everyone okay? Survive that?
Samples in the bags.
Everyone alive? We made it. Day 2 done. It was amazing. It was really amazing. Right. Shower time.